So I got this message on Instagram. A student who is about to appear for the NEET PG examination, he sent this message and he said that for the last couple of days he has been finding it very difficult to fall asleep. And because he is not able to fall asleep, he keeps on lying down on the bed, tossing and turning, and he gets up in the morning, doesn't feel refreshed, is not able to study as well, and everything is piling up. So what can I do is his question. I'm making this video because everybody who is in the same boat might get benefited. Again, see, please remember, what you do immediately before going to bed and what you think while lying on the bed is going to have a significant impact on the quality of your sleep as well as the onset of your sleep. So a common advice that is given is plan your day a night before, right? Whatever you want to study, whatever you're planning to study tomorrow, you should plan about it tonight. This might work in certain cases. It doesn't work in a lot of cases. Why? Exams are near. You are anxious to a certain extent. And if you start making a plan that I have to finish so many MCQs, if I have to finish these many topics, you have to revise this and that, and you realize that the time is not so much time is left, that makes you anxious, right? These planning activities are inherently anxiety provoking, and the moment you become anxious, your sleep will run away from you. The moment you become anxious, the moment you are not in a relaxed state of mind, you would find it difficult to fall asleep. What happens then? Now you become anxious, now you realize that you are not feeling sleepy, now this makes you even more anxious, and that takes the sleep away further. So a vicious cycle becomes created and you get stuck into it, and if you can't sleep properly, you cannot feel refreshed in the daytime, and if you cannot feel refreshed in the daytime, you feel even more anxious and you are stuck in this vicious cycle. Do two things. First of all, make it a point that 30 minutes before going to bed, you stop studying and you do something relaxing. You can listen to the music, you can read some other book, non-medical book, something not related to your exam, or some people like taking a bath before going to bed. If that doesn't disturb your sleep, you can do that. Or you can just take a walk, do something which is relaxing to you. And it might be different for different people, but do something which is relaxing for you in the last 30 minutes. And then when you lie down on the bed, make it a point that you would not allow any exam related thought to come in your mind. I must make a correction. You cannot stop the thought from coming in the mind, but you do not respond to that thought. You do not plan. You do not try to find a solution to it. You use distractions, you listen to music or do something, but not think about it. You can also do one thing which is very effective in the anxiety disorder patients. Telling yourself that, okay, I have a thought that a lot of syllabus is left, and how would I ever complete it? But now when this thought comes in your mind, tell yourself that, okay, this is a thought. I realize that this thought in my mind. I realize it's an important thought, but I will plan about this thought the next morning or in the afternoon. If it helps you, just write it down on a piece of paper and put it on the table that I will address this thought tomorrow. If you want to jot it down on your smartphone, you can do that and tell yourself, I will think about it tomorrow. By making a plan, you kind of bring your mind to a state of peace that this problem would be addressed tomorrow. So students, entrance examinations are not only about knowledge. Entrance examinations are also a lot about the way you handle the stressful situations. And you may be very well read, but in the last couple of days, if you let the anxiety control you or take hold of you, your result may get impacted. So these are some practical tips. I hope you follow them and I hope you get benefited by them. My blessings are always with you. My best wishes are always with you. And keep studying. All those students who take the fight to the last day, who continue preparing till the last day, they do get selected, and the same is going to happen to you too. May God bless you all.